Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. So in this video I will show you how to fix a Bluetooth issue on Windows 10. So let's start with the first method. First you have to check your Bluetooth services. For this go to your search column, type run, then type services.msc. Then click OK. Then you have to search for Bluetooth support service. This is the option. Now right click on it and go to properties. Now you have to change the startup type to automatic. Then click on start. Then click on apply and OK. That's it. That's our first method. Now I will close this window. Now the second method is check your Bluetooth option is on or not. So go to the search bar, then type Bluetooth. The first option, you can see the Bluetooth option. Make sure your Bluetooth option is turned on like this. Okay, that's it. Our third method is make sure your airplane mode is switch off. So let's check it. Go to the Wi-Fi icon, click on it and you can see the airplane mode. Make sure that this option is switch off like this. Okay, now go for the fourth method is run Windows Troubleshooter to check your Bluetooth condition or error. So on the search bar type control panel, click on it. Then you have to go for troubleshooting. Then go to hardware and sound, click on it. Now you can see the Bluetooth option, click on it. Now click on next to troubleshoot your Bluetooth. It will show you the error. If your Bluetooth has any issue, it will show you the error. You can see in my situation the Bluetooth is working fine. So close this window. The fifth method is to edit your registry. To do this, go to your search bar, type run command, type run and then type registry, edit regedit, then press OK to open the registry. Now you have to go to H key local machine, then go to your software column, then go to Microsoft, then go to Windows space NT, here you can see Windows, then go to current version. So on the right column go to current version, double click on it and now change the value data number. I will delete this. Now type 6.2. That's it. Now press OK. That's it. Our sixth method is uninstall Bluetooth driver and reinstall it. So to do this, go to search bar, type device manager. So first we will uninstall the Bluetooth driver, then we will restart our laptop. It will automatically install the driver again after restart. So go to the option, then click on uninstall device, click on delete column, then click on uninstall. So it will uninstall your Bluetooth driver, then restart your laptop, and when it will restart it will automatically install your driver, your Bluetooth driver. Okay, after restart. So our seventh method is update your Bluetooth driver. So go to the search bar, type device manager. Now go to your Bluetooth option and right click on Bluetooth, then click on update driver. So in some case, if your driver is outdated, then it will create issue. So make sure your Bluetooth driver is up to date. So that's all for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching TechWhite. Have a nice day.